It's a fun fact that isn't fun at all. 1. In the books, Stuart Little was never explicitly called a mouse. He's pretty much described as a deformed mouse-like person born from human parents. 2. In some regions of Australia 90% of koalas have chlamydia, which poses a threat to the species' extinction unless a vaccine is created or widespread koala culling takes place. 3. Your brain blocks you from feeling your organs moving around inside of you. 4. Deaf schizophrenics don't hear voices, they see distorted hands or lips as mental images that tell them what to do. 5. Antarctica smells like penguin poop. Antarctica is a desert, it is too cold for bacteria to live. Nothing there to clean up penguin droppings. If you are close enough to see penguins, you will also smell them. 6. It takes around 40 days to die of constipation. 7. On average, clowns make around $30 an hour. Who's the clown now? 8. There's a bird that feeds its younger offspring to the eldest. 9. There are no surviving examples of the train Thomas the Tank Engine is based off.